The incomes of trainees at a local mill are normally distributed with a mean of 1100 and a standard deviation of 120. What percentage of trainees earn less than $800 a month? Okay, so we're looking at the income of a trainee, and if you call that the x, the random variable, then this random variable follows the normal distribution with the mean value 1100 and standard deviation 120. And the question is about finding the probability that this x would be less or equal to 800. Because the percentage of trainees earning less than 800 is really the probability that a random trainee will be earning less than 800. So they're the same thing, okay? So even if it's asking for percentage, in this context, it's the same thing as asking for the probability. Now, whenever you are trying to find the probability in a normal distribution, you want to invoke the z-score. So let's compute the z-score of this 800, which is negative 2.5. So instead of x being less or equal to 800, we can figure out the z less or equals to negative 2.5. So what is this probability? You want to draw the standard normal distribution and shade this area just to make sure that what you are trying to do matches with what you're punching into the calculator. If you don't do this, sometimes you misunderstand what you're doing and you get the wrong answer. So we get this very small portion of the left, so without even doing the calculation, we know that the value should be very small, okay? And that's another good use of this picture, because if you know it's very small, then if your calculator gives you something large, then you can be suspicious, right? Okay, so we are going to use the calculator. Let's see. Here's the calculator, and I have to do second vars norm CDF. And you don't touch anything, just put the upper as negative 2.5, enter, and you get 0.006296. So that's like, what is it? That's if you round it to the hundredths of a percent, this is what you get, okay? So the answer is 0.62%.